Catherine Lee, parenting expert.
And I'm Danielle from Cooked in Brooklyn.
And today we're making a broccoli salad.
We are, and it's very quick and easy.
Great.
And I'm basically going to add teriyaki sauce to some already steamed broccoli. This was only steamed for about, I would say, 3 minutes.
Okay.
And I've chilled it, and we just add about a half a cup of teriyaki sauce. Just plain jarred, low sodium teriyaki sauce.
Great.
Can you start tossing those things for me? And then, this is how incredibly easy it is. You just open your cans, drain the liquid, and you just add the components of these cans.
1 can of sliced chestnuts and 1 can of mandarin oranges. Yum.
Some scallions, about a half a cup. Some crispy noodles. Get in the bottom there. Some crispy noodles.
How much is that?
I would say about a cup and a half, but you can go more or less to your taste. And then just some plain sesame seeds.
Oh, this looks so good. It's got a little Asian flavor.
It does, and it's lighter than a traditional mayonnaise-based broccoli salad.
Right.
And there you go.
Easy as pie. There you go. For more information, go to twobusymomsgourmet.com.